This is Cryptovestway, and Cryptovestway is a place where you learn everything about cryptocurrency investment. I educate people on cryptocurrency investment, and whatever you learn here is for educational purposes. When you decide to invest, I will advise you to consult further, research further, or probably if you want a one-on-one tutorial, because I do that, on how to invest in the cryptocurrency market, you can contact me and I'll go guide you through on one-on-one cryptocurrency investment. Now listen, cryptocurrency is an highly volatile market, so you don't come blindly, you come in knowledge. You can make a lot of profits overnight and you can make losses overnight too. That makes it highly volatile. Today I want to discuss on how you can raise capital for your business or for a project through cryptocurrency investment. Do you know that with cryptocurrency you can raise capital for your business or for your project? Yes, you can. Take for instance, you're planning to start a business and the business capital is about 500,000. You need 500,000 to start business and you don't have 500,000 at the moment. How do I do about that? How can I achieve that? Listen, if I want 500,000 for instance, and I do not have 500,000 at the moment to start the business, what I do, I go through cryptocurrency investment route to raise the 500,000. I know I don't have 500,000, but I know I do have 10,000 within a week. I know occasionally I do have 20,000. I know I can have 5,000 within a week. Now, that 5,000, that 20,000, that 10,000, do you know you can invest it in cryptocurrency? Because cryptocurrency is highly volatile, and we are looking at the positive aspect of cryptocurrency. That is to say, if I am investing 10,000, 20,000, maybe weekly, and because I want to raise 500,000 naira as a capital, I'm going to project say 5 months. Now every week I can invest 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 as the case may be, even 50,000 as the case may be. For the next 5 months, I'll be surprised that I am able to raise that 500,000. And in 5 months' time, my profit margin could be 2x, 3x, in some could even be 4x, depending on my eyes of investment. And that is why before you invest in cryptocurrency, you must have the eyes. Which cryptocurrency coin will I invest in that will give me at least 100% in the next 2-3 months? Because there are cryptocurrency that you can invest today and in the next 2 to 3 months you have double of your money. Yes, in cryptocurrency, but it depends on your ability to know which coin that you can buy at that time, which asset you can buy at that time that can give you that margin of profit. There are some you buy, you rather than running into a profit, you run in losses. So what I'm saying is that one, you project 5 months as that's the first. Then number two, you be disciplined to invest every kobo that comes to you. You'll be disciplined to invest. When you have 5,000, you invest. When you have 20,000, you invest. When you have 30,000, you invest. When you have 50,000, you invest. Number three, you must have the eyes of what kind of cryptocurrency do I want to invest. You must know. If you don't have the eyes of the cryptocurrency you want to invest, you will run in losses. So you must have the eyes to know the cryptocurrency you want to invest in. Very important. You must know which cryptocurrency would I invest that in the next 1 month, in the next 2 months, that can give me 100% profit, 50% profit, 200% profit. Because even as we are in bear market, there are still cryptocurrencies that are still doing 50% within a week, 100% within a week. There are still investments that I've invested in coin last week. This week is already 50% profit. I invested last week. This week I'm already in 50% profit. And there are also investments that if you don't have the eyes when you invest, rather than being in profit, it's running in losses. Take for instance, there is one popular known cryptocurrency coin that I invested in for the past 2 weeks now. Is instead of going high, is going down. So you must have the eyes to know which cryptocurrency that can give you that profit within that period. Now I'm not bothered about that investment because I didn't invest for 5 months. I invested on that coin for 2 years period. My target is in the next 2 years. So I'm not bothered about it coming down. So you must know which investment that will give you that return within that 5 months. The investment you go into, the investment is for the purpose of 5 months. So you target the coin that you buy that will give you profit within 5 months. But if your investment is you want to invest for the next 2 years or the next 1 year, then there are also coins that you can go into that even if it's going down, you won't be bothered because you know by the next 1 year or 2 years, that coin will make uh, good profit for you. So these are what you should know. So if you like this video, please, I want you to share the video, like, and invite your friends. Share it across your contacts for those who want to learn how to invest in cryptocurrency. They will know the right way to invest and make profit in cryptocurrency.